processing began in 1938 and ended in 1941. So the textile that they use is called Machuca tiles, manufactured and produced in Spain in 1901. Also came out of the split of the bamboo that was fed by this bird called Nipor pigeon from Palawan.
Wala ang picture na po.
So the babaylan also served as advisor to the datu, or in the absence of the datu, the babaylan casket, they were transferred by the king. So for the second traffic, for 5 years, they would cover the remains. For the bones, then they would come to the picture. Modern, located near the plaza.
Yan yung picture tayo. Sa Sebastian. Ilang taon ko?
Wala po ako
Pero iyon.
meron mo. So it was said before that during that time, the priest would ask church goers to bring 25 eggs, the precious metals, and limestones, and then they would mix it with the cement and then create a more compact structure of the church.
Ito yung
It's called a coral stone. So for the egg yolks,
Makikita ba ako lang pag nakikita ko ito?
ano kayang pinang...
Diba?
circles, and then they will insert sugar cane, and then pillars,
Okay.
then lalabas na yung juice, at sali ko na sa kawan, sunod ng kawan, at sunod na ng asukal.
Ito. Ang galing.
Wala pong sa